Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. So guys, in this video we will change hair color using camera raw. This is a very simple trick. No need to hair masking or any selection tool. So let's get started. Take a duplicate layer and go to camera raw filter. Go to masking, select the subject. Click on subtract and select people. Hair form, we will choose hair. Invert the mask. And hair form, you can easily change color. See this, amazing. Hit on OK. See this is done. This is before and this is after. I hope guys you will like this video. So guys, take care. See you again in next video. Allah Hafiz.